Horoscope making. Horoscope or the birth chart is the mirror to the personality and future of a person. Our team of expert astrologers can help to make the most accurate horoscope and lifetime predictions. Talk to our astrologers to ensure accuracy in your horoscope. General astrological consultation. There can be unnamed and unpredictable problems in life, but every problem has a solution. You can find future probabilities and make your best choice accordingly. Feel free to ask about any personal problem and find a perfect astrological solution. Speak with our astrologer once. We assure you that our astrologers have solution of your problem. Matchmaking. Marriage is a life-changing decision and it is critical to make it right. Our astrologers can help you to make the best matrimonial choices. With the help of expert astrological predictions, you can discover approx time suitable for marriage or Vivaha Yoga. The possibility of late marriage and its remedies. Matchmaking to find the most compatible partner. Prediction about children and their health, possibility of miscarriage, abortions, etc. You must try the expert at Neptune Jyotish. They have helped thousands to find the right match. They can help you too. Matrimonial problems. If you are bugged by matrimonial problems and wondering what to do next, accurate astrological predictions can help you to light your path. You will not be disappointed after consulting our astrologers. We can help you to make the best decisions about delicate matrimonial affairs like emotional incompatibility or misunderstanding in couples, lack of intimacy, divorce, etc. Don't take a chance in delicate matrimonial matters. Consult our astrologers and you will never regret it. Education predictions. Proper and unhindered education is the basis for a great career and a purposeful life. However, sometimes wrong educational decisions may create unforeseen obstacles in later years. Our expert astrologers can help you to make the most suitable educational decisions and help you navigate in the right direction. Talk to astrologers. Our astrologers can help to predict the most compatible streams of education for an individual. Foretell the right direction. For example, most favorable educational institute. Predict the possibility of success in educational endeavors. Prescribe astrological remedies for educational obstacles. Exam predictions. Entrance exams can be a big pain, especially when your career and future depend upon them. Many people waste years competing for tough entrance exams like UPSC, PSC, etc. However, the right approach and guidance can help you make the right choices at the right time. Astrological predictions can give you an idea about the possibility of success in an entrance exam or the number of attempts you should make. Vedic astrological advice can be a great help, especially when you have to choose between two equally important courses or job options. Our expert astrologers can help you make decisions that you will be happy with for the rest of your life. This is a unique offering by astrologer at Neptune Jyotish. People who use us once come back over and over again. Speak with astrologers. Career choices. Choosing the right career is the foundation for a prosperous and content life, whereas a wrong career choice can make you miserable for the rest of your life. However, it is difficult to choose the best career option in the crowd of so many alternatives. Our expert astrologers can help you to make the best choices regarding this important life-changing decision. Our astrologers can help you to decide the best career option according to individual personality. Foretell the correct direction for most favorable education, institutes or workplace. Predict possible problems in a career. Possibility of growth and success, problems in a career. Job or profession or organization related problems. Once you are in a job, You may face many problems. It can be about choosing an auspicious job posting or managing work pressure. Whatever be your job-related problem be, our expert astrologers can provide you with future possibilities and help you make an informed decision. Gem therapy, numerology, and many other astrological sciences can prove the most suitable remedies for all kinds of job-related problems. Our astrologers can guide you regarding how to avoid incompatible professional environment, choose the right job and organization, avoid conflicts with the seniors, meet the job targets, achieve growth, promotion, and recognition in a job. Financial problems. Each one of us suffers from financial problems at some point in our lives. Prolonged financial problems can have a crippling effect on the moral, health, and family of any individual. However, our expert astrologers can help you make timely decisions to avoid or alleviate impending financial crisis. Astrological remedies recommended by our expert astrologers can also help you to overcome your present financial problems. Our expert astrologers can help you to predict a future financial predicament and prevent it through astrological foresight and remedies, to find the planetary problems causing current financial problems, to find effective remedies for financial problems. Graha Puja, chanting, fasting, gem therapy, etc. To predict the direction, person, or work that may help you solve your financial problems. One right decision at that time can save you from years of hassles. Therefore, if you are in any kind of severe financial problem, immediately consult our astrologers and save your precious time, effort, and money. Health-related queries. Health is the true wealth, and prevention is always better than cure. Our expert astrologers can help you predict and prevent most disorders, whether you are physically fit or suffering from a serious disorder. We can help you predict the future of your health. Our expert astrologers can help you to predict susceptible organ systems in your body and disease probability. If you are physically fit, you can use this service for the prevention of possible diseases. If you are sick, we can help you to find the right approach, right direction, and right person for the best treatment results. If you are going for surgery, our astrologers can help you with the most compatible time and date for successful results. At Neptune Jyotish, we are committed to help you successfully navigate through all kinds of problems in your life. Business-related problems. Unpredictability is a natural part of any business or trade. Your profits and prosperity in a business depend on accurate market forecasts and efficient preparations. Our expert astrologers can help you to predict the future market scenario, predict the possibility of imminent profit or loss, decide auspicious time to start an important project or business, make important buying and selling decisions.